The AI economy, a money machine or a bubble? Here's the tension that hangs over everything. The whole AI industry earns somewhere around $110 billion a year, but the companies building it are spending close to $700 billion annual capex that rivals the entire economy of Sweden. Exponential View calls it the central question of the AI economy. Sequoia's famous revenue gap, the money needed to justify the build-out, has now widened past $600 billion. Goldman Sachs is tracking the trillions in play. Their point is subtle. The spend isn't crazy if demand keeps compounding. The whole bet rides on one word, if. So where is the money actually moving? Follow the fastest growing line. API revenue, developers building on top of the models, grew around 300% in 2025. That's the live wire of this economy. Stanford's AI index confirms the shift. It's not just US consumer chatbots. International API adoption is exploding, with Japan now the #1 market outside the United States. The takeaway for builders: the opportunity is infrastructure and agents sold globally, not another consumer app fighting for the same US attention. But here's the catch, and it's brutal. Roughly 90% of companies now use AI, yet MIT found 95% of generative AI pilots deliver zero profit and loss impact. Adoption is everywhere, returns are almost nowhere. Deloitte's enterprise survey explains why. Only about 1 in 5 companies see real revenue growth. The other 74% are still just hoping. The bottleneck isn't access to a model, it's integration into real workflows. So, are we early or late? Morgan Stanley's framing helps. AI hit $60 billion in revenue in just 2 years, matching cloud's pace and roughly 3 times faster than mobile or the internet. Fast, yet still small enough that we're early. Which brings us to the real question. What has to be true for the spending to pay off? Epoch AI argues it hinges on 2 variables: how fast demand grows as token prices fall, and how much real intelligence each token delivers. That's your dashboard. If demand outruns falling prices and each token gets smarter, the build-out compounds into profit. If not, big tech free cash flow could drop sharply as capex outruns revenue. Watch the price performance curve, not the headlines. Zoom out, and the answer to our opening question is not a bubble yet, but not proven either. The revenue gap is real, the build-out is enormous, but adoption is racing faster than cloud did. Follow OPC Community to keep reading the AI economy with us.